1960, and he had the chance to come to Europe, and he came from Paris and stayed here, and he had the chance to be with Otto Becker and other people.
Hello guys, sa Heidelberg kami, Germany. Hello guys, we are here now at Heidelberg, Germany. Dito kami mag-overnight stay from Zurich.
When we had these and all the houses were gone because they were made of wood, and wood is very, very easy to burn. So it was the prince elector who came then, and he ordered, you have cheated a little bit, and he wanted to have a wonderful, nice palace, and he wanted to have a baroque palace from Belgium, from elsewhere, and they were attracted by lower. No. Please mind the traffic here. We have a pedestrian road which is 2 kilometers long, but still the cars are allowed to pass here. So please mind the traffic. There's another car coming from this side. Please make sure not to stay in their way. Almost 200 years old, when in beginning of the 19th century, the reopening of a successful university, there were a lot of associations built, and this marks that the association. But in medieval times, they started with one building, and every prince elector who would come, and he would. Every time you find a place in Heidelberg, you find a square in Heidelberg. This is by accident because from the witches imprisoned or something like that. It's just called Witch Tower, and this is the only remainder of 40,000 people. So it is really by accident that we have had give this post to your son and everything is fine. Whereas in Germany, from the very beginning, the king was elected, and there was a lot of no. May I try once more for the picture? And important grid selector of that type. It's on its back side. And this implies a little bit irony, this implies a little bit, at that time it would be very dangerous to be ironic. What we want to do. This is the reason why we still have this kind of blocking.
Church na yun.
Ha?
Hindi na. Pwede pa pasukan.
Parang walang kayo papasok eh.
Religions, meaning you have two doors. You have the Catholic door.
Germany.